They say it's time to celebrate, let the story unfold. 36 days to honor women, bold, black, African American. They paved the way, breaking barriers, shining bright every day. Queens of history, we stand tall, rising above, we'll never fall. From Harriet to Mae, Rosa to Oprah, we'll keep fighting, forever we'll prosper. So many names, too many to mention, from activist stories, well that won't do. Too many names, too many to mention. From activists to artists, they defy convention. Leading in the charge, making history true. Neglecting their stories, well, that won't do. Queens of history, we stand tall, rising above, we'll never fall. From Harriet to Mae, Rosa to Oprah, we'll keep fighting, forever we'll prosper. So many names, too many to mention, from activist stories, well that won't do.